everyone! So we're back with another unboxing, and this time napabudol na ako sa the winning na album ni IU, yung special version. Kakarating lang nito from Korea, and I'm so excited. Mas nauna pa siyang dumating kasi sa gusokson na pre-order ko na na album. Hindi pa dumarating hanggang ngayon, so ito muna. So let's go! Ano ko lang yung lights para mas kita.
Hey guys, so ito, mas makita na lahat. So, I ordered this pala sa Record Planet K-pop sa Shopee. It's a Korean shop ng mga K-pop merch. So, let's go! Unboxing time! Tcharan! So, this is the freebie photo card cover, plastic na medyo broken glass yung style. Ayan na! So happy because it's so cute in person, guys. Tweety is like my favorite character when I was younger, so it's very nostalgic. And these are the songs. Let's open it. Ayan. Tweety and IU na collaboration. The winning. Ayan. May pa-slide siya. Yung cover. There you go. So cute. Okay. So, these are the inclusions. This is the magnet. It's super nice. It's matte. But it's super nice. I don't wanna, remove it from the case. And there's a cardboard extra. This is the photo book, and of course the photo cards are inside. And so pretty. IU, so cute. Then just a quick look on the photos. And dami niyang themes. Ayan. So nice, so pretty. Ayan. Then inside this CD, the CD itself is so nostalgic. The batang 90s can relate this. Yung VCD dati. This is the lyric book. Shopper, Holshi, and then Love Wins All, and I Stand You. So cute. Dual purpose yung cover niya, guys. Ayan. Try it on. Isa lang. But cute pa din. Super nice. I'll link the Shopee link in the description box below, so you can check it out if you want to order. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng magnet. Ay, sorry, may hair pa pala dun. Ayan na. Hindi ko na maibalik. Charis. I forgot to show pala yung photo cards na may sign ni IU sa likod with a little message. Soromrul IU. And then 그 이름은 유이나. So cute. Ang hirap basahin ng handwriting ng Korean. Kaysa sa naka-type lang. So yan, may pasign si ate. With heart. So cute, guys. Bili na din kayo. Magpapudra. Yung special version lang yung binili ko dahil kay Tweety. So, yes. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next unboxing video.